Hi, my name is Duwayne from Euromotive Performance. Here we have a Bentley, and I want to tell you how to access your Bentley with a dead battery. So with a dead battery, you cannot get into the trunk because it's only activated by a power switch. And so to get access to your trunk, you have to supply power to the electrical system. So therefore you open up this is the V8 model. So you would open up the hood. Here we have the V8 model, and here is your power distribution box in the engine compartment. So you would put your power supply to there and put your ground last to a ground area, which we would use the bulb here on the right strut tower. This V8 model is easy accessibly, but with the W12 model, you would have to remove the right air intake box to get access to this distribution box. We have another video for that, so you just go to our YouTube video to check that out. So you just put your power here, your ground here. Do not start the car because it's only for use of getting into the access of your trunk. Here at Euromotive Performance, we specialize in Bentley. We have all the factory tools and technicians to specialize in your Bentley. You can give us a call at 954-944-2779, and don't forget to subscribe to our videos.